The mystique of the boudoir. Hello language explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of French-inspired English vocabulary. One such word is boudoir. Have you heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Boudoir is a French word, which English borrowed. In French, bouder means to sulk. Historically, a boudoir was a private room for a lady of the house, a place where she could retire to be away from the hustle and bustle or simply have some alone time. In today's context, a boudoir is primarily known as a private sitting room or bedroom for a woman. But it has some other connotations too. 1. Boudoir photography. This is a style of photography that captures intimate, romantic, and sometimes erotic images, usually in a bedroom setting. It's popular for private sessions, especially as gifts for significant others. 2. Boudoir furniture. Refers to furniture designed for bedrooms, especially pieces that are delicate, ornate, and feminine. To help you grasp the concept better, here are some sentences. 1. The actress retreated to her boudoir after the exhausting play. 2. She gifted her husband a set of boudoir photographs for their anniversary. 3. The antique store had a stunning boudoir chair with intricate designs. So there you have it. The word boudoir is not just a fancy term for a woman's private room but has expanded its meaning over time. Next time you come across this word, whether in literature or conversation, you'll know exactly what it means. Hope this has been enlightening. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll catch up in the next video. Happy learning!